4 days left. Yes, only 4 days left. And if you have not registered for the CIS-DF exam yet, you are losing a massive career opportunity. And it doesn't matter you are in college or switching fields, it is for anyone. Anyone can grab this, and the deadline is 13 June. So I will walk you through the exact registration steps so you don't miss out. So now let's see how to register. First open your browser, then search for ServiceNow University. Then the first result, that is learning.servicenow.com, click on this one. This is the ServiceNow University page. Here click on the sign in button. Now if you have already registered, you can log in with your email, or if you have not registered, then click on the new user, get a ServiceNow ID. Then fill your email ID, name and password and sign up for new ID. But if you have already registered, then enter your email ID, then click on next, put your password and click on sign in. Then you will receive a MFA code, that is an OTP. So enter the code here and then click on the submit to log in. Now you are logged in into the ServiceNow University. Now here in this search bar, search for CIS-DF, then hit enter. Now wait until this page loads fully. Now scroll down and in the all result, you can see this Certified Implementation Specialist Data Foundation available as certification. So click on this one. Now this is about the exam. There are some prerequisite and some recommended courses which you can complete before taking your exam, but it is not necessary or mandatory for now. You can directly register and give the exam. So for registration, click on this register for exam link. Now the registration window will appear. Here click on this register now button. Now you can see there is no fees for now, as it is free until 30 June. And here you will need to enter your first name and the last name. It must be matched with your ID exactly, otherwise you may not be able to appear for the exam. So enter your correct name according to your ID and click on the confirm button. Now you can see there is no charge, no fee. It is showing 0 USD. And now click on the enroll button. So the registration is complete, and now I can schedule my exam by clicking on the schedule now button. And we will have only 90 days to schedule our exam after registration. So my due date is September 24. Before this date I need to schedule my exam. So click on this schedule now, and here you can see 3 different options to take your exam. One is in person at a test center, and the second is online with OnView, and this one is not relevant right now. So to give your exam in the offline test center, you can proceed with this option. But if you want to give your exam in virtual online way, you can go with this option. Now I will show how to book your exam center. So click on this in person at a center and here you will have some guidelines like how to prepare for your test center exam. You will need to carry your photo ID and what to expect. You can see a short video, and what personal items you can carry with you. You can see this list. So now click on this next button. Now you have to choose your language for the exam, then click on next. Here the ServiceNow policies you can read. So now click on this agree button. Here you have to search your address. The test center which are available to your location or nearby location, it will appear here in a list. You can select any one of these, like I am selecting this for example, then click on the next. Now you have to select for your exam date. You can select any available exam date, but within that 90-day time frame, beyond that 90-day you can't select any other date. So select any, for example I am selecting 24 September. Now you have to select the timing on which time you want to give your exam. If you are okay with this, continue with book this appointment or explore more times. Then select any other time according to your comfort. Let's select this one. Then continue with this book this appointment option. So here you can check, re-verify your details, your description of the exam, and also the date and time, and click on next to confirm your booking. But I will not click because I don't want to go with this offline mode. I want to give my exam in the virtual mode. So now I will go back and select the online mode. To give your exam in online mode, you have to click on this online with on view option. Then these are some guidelines you have to read before giving your exam. Then click on the next button. Now select your exam language. Click on next. Now you can click on the agree. Then again click on the next. Now you have to select your time zone. Click on that button. Now select your date. Again we can't select any date beyond that 90-day period. So I will select September 1st. Then I will select the time on which I want to give the exam. So I will explore more time and I will choose any of the available time. I will go with this one. Then click on the book this appointment. It's processing my request. Now here are the details which I can recheck, like appointment date and all. So exam will be of 90 minutes and it will consist 75 questions of multiple choice, multiple select. Now click on the next. And it's almost there. Now submit the order. So here our registration and scheduling both process is done. Now you have to prepare for your exam and give your exam on your selected date. Best of luck, and if you want any help, any source or notes, you can connect with me in the LinkedIn. My LinkedIn ID is in the description. So thank you to watch this video till end, and I will see you with a new update.